Hi friends, my name is Mair. Today I'm making the world's best teriyaki chicken and I'm sharing this recipe with you guys. Stick around to find out the whole recipe, and we are grilling this chicken teriyaki in a pan. So for the teriyaki chicken, always use the thigh meat, the chicken boneless thigh meat. So we are right now cutting small pieces of chicken thigh piece. So these kind of pieces should be enough. So for now guys, we will just put it right on the side. So chicken thigh has always extra fat. You can leave it on if you want to, otherwise I would suggest try to not use the fat. So this chicken has a little bit extra fat. I mean, fat is good, it keeps the meat moist, but I'm trying to omit the fat right now. So finally our chicken is ready. We will add minced garlic in here. Here goes the garlic. So we will take a slice of ginger and we will chop it like fine chop. It should not be chunky. Try to just do the fine chop as much as you can. Here goes the minced ginger. Add some table salt. Add some red chili flakes. Add at least extra, I would say. So this is at least 2 pounds of chicken. So I added 4 cloves of garlic. I added a teaspoon of ginger and I added 4 spoons of brown sugar. So here goes the teriyaki. If you guys don't have the teriyaki soy sauce, you can use the regular soy sauce in there. And make sure you add a little bit extra. And here friends, we will give it a mix. So the brown sugar, the teriyaki soy sauce, salt, chili flakes, ginger and garlic. And for now friends, you can marinate this chicken overnight, or I would suggest at least give it 4 hours for the teriyaki chicken. So I'll see you guys after 4 hours. So this is after 4 hours. I'm using the wooden skewers. These are the wooden one. I have soaked it in water so they don't get burned while we are cooking. So from here onwards, we will just put the meat on the skewers. While you're putting the meat on the skewers, use a bigger bowl or use something under, because the sauce will be keep dripping everywhere from the meat. Here goes the last piece of meat on the skewer. So I have 4 beautiful chicken teriyaki meat skewers and I have extra teriyaki sauce. So we will take the sauce, put it in a separate pan. We will add some cornstarch in there and we will add some sesame seed and we will bring the sauce to simmer. Once it starts simmer, it will get thickened and then we will use the same sauce on top of our meat while we are cooking. Moving towards our main pan, we will add a layer of oil. We will try to spread that oil, and after that we will just place our meat carefully in our pan. So here guys, let the meat sit on one side for at least 3 minutes. As you guys can see, the sauce has started to simmer. We will add half spoon of cornstarch in there. Here it goes. We will mix it. And now we will flip the chicken. So I'm stirring the spoon in the sauce just because the cornstarch get dissolved and the sauce, it gets thicker. Guys, we will brush it on this side now. So you brush the sauce which is thick, which has the sesame in here, and you keep brushing it on this side now. So it gets all the ginger, the garlic, the soy, the salt, and the pepper, and the sesame seed flavor in there. And at this point, guys, you have to make sure you put your pan on a medium flame now. So after cooking the chicken 3 minutes each side, now we will change the sides every other minute and we will brush the sauce right on top. So at this point, I have turned off the sauce from simmering, and our teriyaki sauce, I just want to show you guys, is ready. So this is fresh homemade teriyaki chicken, which you can make. You don't have to put it on the grill. I mean, if you guys want to put it on the grill, yes, you can put it on the grill, and you have to follow just the same recipe. So it's been 10 minutes total. Our chicken is completely ready. I have some white rice on the side in the pan, and now it's time to put it in a serving plate. So this is the moment of truth. The softness, the sweetness, ginger, and a little bit salt. This is about the best teriyaki right here. As you can see, it's cooked all the way in, and the sesame seed. Wow, it tastes as just you get it from a 5-star restaurant. Wow. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Do try this easy, simple chicken teriyaki recipe grilled in the pan, and I will see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Bye for now. So with the white rice, it's awesome.